When we talk about investing in small cap stocks, the first thing people say is, but they are risky. And yes, they are. But they can also turn small investments into life changing wealth. Yes, many small cap stocks fail, but you don't need every stock to be a winner. Even if just 30% of your picks hit big, their returns can make up for the rest. Large cap stocks are steady and usually grow around 10 to 15% a year. Small caps are unpredictable, but some can grow up to 50 times, even sometimes 100 times over the long run. The trick is simple: pick good businesses and hold them patiently while they grow. One of the most successful fund managers, Peter Lynch, said, "The key to making money in stocks is not getting scared out of them." So ask yourself, do you want safety or the chance of life changing returns? The 13th rupee is all about breaking myths and making investing simplified. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips to make your money work for you.